Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust sensitivity area whenever you are using gesture mode navigation. Then you can simply adjust back gesture in your Google Pixel 7a. It is very simple. Simply swipe up for menu, open settings application. Okay. After that, open display and touch. Okay. Simply open display and touch. From here, you can see here display and touch. Open that settings. Then go to bottom of the page, then you can see option of navigation mode, then click on that gear icon. Then you can simply see there is two kind of adjustment like left edge and right edge. You can simply adjust that areas for adjusting the back gesture areas. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and here is I'm not adjusting because the middle area is very good. The current default selection is very good, so I'm not adjusting, and you can, if you need, you can simply adjust that areas. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replaces video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.